Welcome all. Today we'll be discussing about what is meant by dynamic programming. Most of us keep wondering about what is meant by dynamic programming. This dynamic programming is mainly an optimization over plain recursion. That's the first point that we need to understand. When we look into this plain recursion is nothing but it is a repeated calls for same inputs. What we can do is we can optimize this by something a process called as dynamic programming. In short, we call it as a DP. What it does is, here the idea is very simple. What it does is it stores the results of the subproblems so that these subproblems need not be recomputed again. So here what we try to do is we try to optimize it. The optimization what we try to do is we try to reduce the time complexity. From being exponential to polynomial. Now what shall we do is we shall take up an example and try to understand what is this dynamic programming is. In this example, we'll try to take up a Fibonacci series, or in short we call it as Fib series. When we write a program in the recursive manner, we get an exponential time complexity. And when this is optimized, how can we optimize this exponential time complexity? What we try to do is we try to store the solutions of subproblems and which results in the time complexity to be reduced to linear. So this overall concept is something called as dynamic programming. Thank you.